Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Sage Wolfe, and I am out in Barrie, Ontario. We are just finishing up with the whole life coach training. It's going to go on for another about 2 days, and then we go into the Wolfe Non Surgical. We actually have 2 availabilities left, like 2 spots left in the course. So if you're looking to get trained in like the most powerful body work known like to date, I've been around, I've checked out different treatments, I've checked out different trainings, and there's nothing like dealing with the actual problem, taking your time and working on the scar tissue crystallization and calcification that's built up around the joints. So we deal with anything from A to Z with ailments, from carpal tunnel syndrome, scoliosis, kyphosis, it doesn't matter. Endometriosis, you can have surgical scars, you could have already a joint replacement. If you're learning to kind of like hone in and like take back your power, learn to like feel free and know what your body truly needs. If you've just wanted to learn a new technique, or you're already a practicing practitioner and you just want a new tool under your belt, or this is something that you've always been interested in, we're out in Barrie, Ontario, just outside of Toronto. So if you're in the greater Toronto area, like I really recommend coming and getting trained in Wolfe Non Surgical, because it's amazing to feel free. It sucks when you have to go through every day feeling like slightly debilitated, feeling like the life you're living is as good as it gets. It's really not. So what is your goals? What are your aspirations? Let's get there together. We're out in Barrie, Ontario. Like I said, come check us out at BraveHeartNation.com or the Doc of Detox, and we'd love to train you. I hope everybody is having a beautiful day, and we will talk to you soon.